I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to add an echo effect on Audacity onto a clip of audio. So let's jump into Audacity. I have a clip of audio. Now I'm going to select the area that I want to add an echo to. I like to select just past it to make sure that it gives me the effect that I want as long as I would want. Now I'm going to click the effect and go down to echo. And this will give you options here, the length of time that there is a delay, and the decay factor, which is the reduction of volume over time. Let's give a preview.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.
That is quite the echo. We can change both of these.
Now that's what I call an adjustment.
Hit apply to apply it. I've been Eric Polley, you've been you. I'll see you on the next one.